Okay, welcome to another episode of Hook Set. So check it out. Let's go mountain whitefish fishing and maybe some cutthroat too. Okay. Wonder if this counts as social distancing. Off we go. All right. We should just try this water first. Okay. Just changed out the hooks, so I got a little pinch in here. Usually I do this with a Blue Fox, but today I'm going to go in with a Castmaster or knockoff of it in a silver color. I think that's pretty natural here. And we're going to go for trout and whitefish today, so hopefully something's going to bite in these streams here. Alright, so the dam's over there, and there's some rapids over here. What if they're holding just before the rip? So, try and make my move right into there. See if I can get something. I'd like to take something home too. I don't usually do that unless it's salmon season, but I do like a fried fish. And with the self-isolation, it's nice to bring something home. A little bit of the outdoors right on your plate. Nothing wrong with that, eh? Is that a fish? That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. Yeah, that's a rock. Alright guys, not bad, not bad. First fish of the day on whitefish. At the request, this is the lure that I'm using today. I think this is like a Castmaster knockoff, but it works nonetheless. Slender, small spoon, under 1/8 of an ounce. Cast it, reel it back, and they'll hit it. That's all it is. There we go, there's a fish. Oh my god. Missed. Give it a quick jerk just to get the spinner running, and we should be able to hook into something here. This is a lot deeper here. There you go. Called it. That's a good one. No, wait, no. In the net. bit up here. That's pretty cool. Here you go. You can see that on my hand here. There's a lot of little these guys. These are all just salmon fry. Just hatched. Just hatched. Oh, hit. Oh, I got him. Tiny guy. Nope. Is he still on? He's still on. Well, my bad, bud. Fish. See ya. Oh, sorry for the bump. That was my bad, guys. I should have seen where he was running off to. That was fail in fish handling on my part. Okay, here's my rig for today. Braid slip knot, 2 bobber stops, 8-gram float, 8 grams of lead, metal bead to protect the knot, swivel, 6-pound fluorocarbon for about, say, 18 inches, and a small hook right here. Fireball egg. We're gonna throw a Potski's fireball egg right on this hook here. There you go. Oh, whitefish. There you go. Oh, came off. I am unlucky. Oh, there's another one. Oh, came off. I had like 3 on the hook and they all came off. Okay. This could work. There's a fish. First cast there. This is just another rocky here. Oh my god. No. Bye. Alright, I think that'll do it for today. Total count was probably like 5 fish landed and then probably like 5+ fish lost. Really enjoyed today's video. So any questions, leave some comments, like, comment, subscribe.